Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your old buddy Lone Wolf here. We got another unboxing. This is part 2 of 3 unboxings that I'm going to be doing today. And let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Awesome. The Wayne's World movies. Now, I loved these movies when they came out, and even more so when I was in high school. And, in fact, I actually met someone who was in the first one. I met Robert Patrick, who made a cameo appearance as the T-1000 in Wayne's World. Very nice guy. And, well, oddly enough, they play Bohemian Rhapsody in this movie, in their car stereo. And later on, years later, Mike Myers, who was Wayne Campbell in this, oddly enough, he would be in a movie called Bohemian Rhapsody about the frontman of Queen, Freddie Mercury. And he was the one that said that he doesn't think that Bohemian Rhapsody would be quite popular with the listeners. And that being said, I have only one thing left to say. Party on, YouTube.